Here's how to organize spreadsheets with the Google Sheets add-in, Tableau. Sometimes your sheet just doesn't start looking neat and organized this way. Tableau is an analytical charting tool that can help you make your Google Sheets interactive charts look easy to use. An add-on that converts Tableau charts into SmartSheet. It allows you to interact with it from your mobile devices without having to download the entire document. You can edit data in Tableau and share it in an interactive way. Nothing is simpler than using a simple filter, color or text change for your Google Sheet summary. This integration will update the chart automatically whenever you make changes to your target sheet, only time taking moments. What is the Tableau add-in? The Tableau add-in for Google Sheets is a way for people to create table views in spreadsheet form that can be sorted and filtered. This is helpful when information from different sources needs to be organized into one main table. The add-in has a preset button that creates these tables automatically by importing data from an Excel spreadsheet with the push of a button. The tables can be refreshed. You can name the table, choose a color scheme without going to any other supplies, add some quick filters such as choosing the range or its type, and mark lookup fields for fast data entry. You can save the sheet with your scripts saved on Google Drive. Then use this tool to create your own beautiful worksheets with your data just like you could in Excel. It's very easy. The Tableau add-in is available here, so definitely make sure you. How the Google Sheets add-in works. Tableau is a business analytics software package developed by the Microsoft Corporation. It utilizes a visualization graph which enables data to be viewed from all possible perspectives. The Google Sheets add-in makes use of this particular feature, giving the user control over how their tables look and making them more interactive. The add-in requires a user to use the browser from the web browser panel and access their Google Sheets data. When that is achieved, it enables users to change their table's backgrounds by simply changing their selection. They are then allowed to drag and drop their data pins and anchor them onto their sheet. They can also utilize this feature to highlight rows or hide those that they do not want to see or care about. This function of manipulate different list types on the main sheet. It is simple to create a private list in the spreadsheet to add new contacts, tasks, or anything else. Then share the necessary listing with just that list type with a simple click. Label unique fields differently or even use the substitution feature to store personal notes. If your work requires detailed reporting, OCR, or other transcribing tasks, you'll find the features and customization you need for any type of job. Transcribe 48 languages. We speak more than 500 languages around the world. Use dictionary lookup phrases and definitions in supported languages like French and Spanish to quickly. Sortable table columns. Google Sheets and Tableau have many features in common, but Google Sheets has the ability to create tables and sortable columns. If you have a large spreadsheet that uses years and assignments, this could be a useful feature. Create a new sheet or select cells live before creating the table to get your options focused. To have a column sorted by the latest assignment, select column headings can be resorted within the sortable column settings. Customize table headers. The standard column heads in Google Sheets can become cluttered if you try to organize a lot of data or even add too many columns of data. That's where creating custom column font sizes becomes vital, as well as the use of filters. Google Sheets and Tableau have a similar feature, so it's worth. Stop reshuffling data and use spreadsheets as tables. In this day and age, a lot of work is done with spreadsheets. They're perfect for handling data that needs to be organized and interactable. For those needs, most people will just use their preferred spreadsheet software and leave it organized that way. But if you want a more permanent solution where your organization won't decay as fast or users can't modify tables in unexpected ways, then try adding an add-in from Google Sheets like Tableau or any other to your spreadsheet. Edge cases aren't hard to manage when a table is already created and the choices are available when they happen.